What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are playing Caferacer. It's so loud, it's so loud.
But it's like this song.
Okay, so let's grab this car. I just played like many level, no, it's not levels, it's like in free ride. See, unless time trial. I didn't try free ride yet and time trial yet. So I was playing and I was like, I want to do a YouTube channel because I created the gaming channel. Okay, so I can't show my face. I don't know how. Okay, let's check my task. Oh, ride 460 meters at country plains, but I didn't bought that. Okay, so this is my bike. Look, my bike. Nice, Aaron. Look at the engine, man. The engine is. Look, my tuning area, max out engine, and handling. I have to buy it and brakes. But I don't want to waste all of my money in those shits and those things. See, let's just ride. What should I do?
You know what?
Time trial or
endless?
I'm gonna do time trials. I bought multiplayer. Yeah, whatever. Okay, fine. So. Extreme mode, extreme mode. I don't know how to drive. Okay, let's do it.
Bro, drive on the sand.
If I drive on the sand, I'll die.
No.
Yes.
No, do it. Try to do.
Oh, it's going two ways. I have to be careful, you already know. Because I'll die.
Go on the sand. Go on the sand. Go.
Why?
You
Hell, I'll die.
If you not do.
Oh, if I'll do it, I'll do it.
Go.
Subscribe, guys. I'm done.
Go.
I said you. Guys, please subscribe, otherwise I will not die. Please.
If you don't subscribe, then will.
Guys, why, guys?
Why you guys don't subscribe?
See, at least I respawn again.
At least, yeah.
I have time left. Only this much time left, bro. Nah, bro. I think I can't do this, bro. I have to drive fast.
When is the end?
Come on. Repeating games. Let's do this. No, only 10 seconds left.
7, 6, 5. Please subscribe to get time. Please. Yeah.
Oh, please. Oh, my.
Because of you.
$633. At least I got some money. Thank you, guys. What's again? I'm gonna defeat my score. What is my score? 12,368. Yep, I defeated. Look, guys.
Yeah,
I defeated. It's extreme mode, extreme. Okay. Come on, BT games. You can do this. Oh, trying to trick me. You can't trick me. I'm sorry, guys.
Give you a chance.
Yeah, I know it because we have time. Okay. Concentrate. Come on, BT games. You can do this. Okay.
Whoa. You went to the wrong side only.
At least I didn't.
See the time first. See the time.
I only have 43 seconds.
Mama!
No, why you disturb me? Come on. You can do this. You're doing a wheelie. This button shows that I can do a wheelie. This is a horn button. That's why I'm clicking it. The buses. I should just. Yeah, that's right. Only 10 seconds? No, I think I can't defeat it, bro. Guys, I don't know whether I can defeat the score.
What you have to do?
Yeah, I can't defeat the score. Sorry,
what
guys,
you have to do, bro?
I have to defeat my high score. See? I'll show you which is my high score. This is my high score. See, this is my high score. I need to defeat 12,000. Yes. Okay, let's do it.
That's so high.
Okay, let's do it.
Where your best?
Okay. Come on. Let's do this. Wow! Whoa. See, I'm driving on the wrong side, guys.
Okay.
Guys, thank you for subscribing. So that guys, please subscribe. There you are.
Not on the red.
Okay. So guys, please subscribe so I can defeat my score. Bro, why are you telling billions of times and not subscribe? Bro, it was crazy. I was crashing.
No extreme mode means
No,
they don't.
my brakes are not good. I think I need to buy brakes, but I don't want to buy because I want to buy a new bike.
Yeah.
We have 30 seconds. We have 30 seconds. Right. We have 15, 14, 13. Yeah, but I think I'm cooked. Oh! What is that? There's something. Oh, okay, fine. Whatever. I have to concentrate.
No, I'm
6, 5, 4, 3. I'm defeating my
good.
score. I'm defeating my score. No, finish. I think I defeated my score. Did I defeat it? Yo, I defeated my score. Guys.
Subscribe more,
Guys,
bro.
please subscribe. Yo, I defeated my
Yeah, bro,
score.
shut the fuck up. Nobody's got
What the flip? Yo, let's go, baby.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Stop
Let's
out.
go.
Stop
Why, bro?
Stop out.
Why is it side, bro? I'll kill you. Okay. No, why am I going side? Because I like that, so I can get like some colors calling. You don't know what happening. No, bro, nah, bro. I trying to do like that. Okay, 6,001, 203. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, can you see me here? I'm here, bro.
No, this is extreme mode. This don't
Yeah,
care.
this is extreme mode, of course. They don't care about me. They think that I'm stupid.
Yes.
They think that I'm like a stupid guy that he doesn't know nothing. That I don't know that. Oh, I think I'm going to defeat my high score 13,000 something. Yo, kind of see.
You don't have time.
Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. At least I defeated my score. 4, 3, 2, 1, and Khatam. Finish.
Kaza, bro.
530.
You made a
I
score.
bet my score. See, I bet my score again. That is crazy. I bet my score again. Let's go, baby. But my score again. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. We need more subscribers, please.
Yes, and please subscribe to our main channel.
Yeah.
Bro, Thrills is in link in description.
What
Bye.
is subscribe? Everybody subscribe.